Opposition spokesman on national security Peter Bunting says based on the current trend, this year's murder figure could be among the highest in Jamaica. He was speaking at a PNP media briefing today. Anthony Lugg has the details.
Crime scenes and the sound of gunshots echoing have all become common for several communities across the island. Up to Saturday, October 9, 1,111 were murdered in Jamaica. The figure represents a 10% increase when compared to the same period last year. Opposition spokesman on national security Peter Bunting is concerned.
This caps a really awful week where there was 33 murders, an average of about 5 murders per day. And it continues the accelerated rate of murder that we have seen since June.
Despite the increase in murders, the government has insisted that the security forces have been making strides in disrupting gang activities, among other things. But pointing to the data, Mr. Bunting says the trend is worrying.
At the rate we are going, by the end of October, we will probably have exceeded the total number of murders in any year between 2011 and 2015. So that shows you, and that's with 2 months to go for the year.
The police, on the other hand, have made several arrests in some major crimes while they continue to gather intelligence in others. The opposition is, however, insisting that the Jamaica Constabulary Force needs to increase its investigative capability as part of crime preventative measures.
So when we put the cases together, we don't find, as we did, as I pointed out, that hundreds of those cases are thrown out for lack of evidence or insufficient evidence. We want to put the resources where they're going to make a difference.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.